Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you 2 ways to melt chocolate. First of all, we're going to do the microwave method. I break my chocolate into a microwave suitable bowl and then I put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Take it out and check on it. It hasn't started melting, so I put it back in there for 20 more seconds and then it's beginning to melt but it's not quite ready. So just put it back in there for a few more seconds and then take it out. You can see it's now melted a lot more and still not quite ready. So put it back in there for the final 20 seconds and take it out. And then it's not completely melted, but you can use the heat from the bowl to melt the rest of the chocolate. So I'm not putting it back in there. I'm just going to stir it until it's completely melted like this. And that's it. Now, onto the second method. You use a double boiler. So you get a little pot, put it on the stove, put your bowl on top. Make sure that the water does not touch the bowl at all. Start stirring this chocolate until it's melted. And that's it. Nice and simple. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.